Hello everyone, welcome to the 100-Day Spanish Challenge by Touri. I'm Mark, and this is day 5 of the challenge. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can find the link down below to join the challenge and follow along. Now I'm going to start by saying the word in Spanish at a normal pace, the masculine and feminine form, and then I'll break it down into syllables, followed by the English translation and a couple of example sentences. Let's get started. Number 41. Número 41. Bastante. Bah-stahn-tay. Bastante. Quite, rather, quite a lot. There's enough room for a party. Hay bastante espacio para una fiesta. Number 42. Número 42. Baño. Bahn-yoh. Baño. Bath. I'm going to take a wonderful bubble bath tonight. Esta noche voy a darme un baño de espuma maravilloso. Number 43. Número 43. Barato. Barata. bah-rah-toh. Barato. Cheap. Fruit in Ecuador is good and cheap. En Ecuador, la fruta es buena y barata. Number 44. Número 44. Biblioteca. Biblioteca. Library. He has an extensive library of Spanish literature. Tiene una biblioteca extensa de literatura española. Number 45. Número 45. Bono. No. Bono. Voucher, bond, bonus. He received an end-of-the-year bonus for perfect attendance. Recibió un bono de fin de año por asistencia perfecta. Number 46. Número 46. Broma. Broma. Joke or trick. I can tell you it is no joke. Les aseguro que no es una broma. Number 47. Número 47. Cabello. Cabello. Hair. My blonde hair is my best feature. Mi cabello rubio es mi mejor rasgo. Number 48. Número 48. Cada. Each, every. I have coffee with my friends every 2 weeks. Tomo café con mis amigas cada 2 semanas. Number 49. Número 49. Cajón. Drawer. The pencil is in the drawer. El lápiz está en el cajón. Number 50. Número 50. Caliente. Caliente. Hot. The bench was hot because it was in the sun. El banco estaba caliente porque estaba al sol. The best way to learn this material is through repetition, memorization, and conversation. If you'd like to practice your newly learned vocabulary, Touri offers live, fun, and immersive one-on-one online language lessons with native instructors at nearly any time of the day. Check out Touri.co, or you can follow the link down below. Until next time, adios.